What's up everybody out there in YouTube land? Jose once again coming at you with a brand new video. In today's video we're going to compare the video coming out of the Canon R5, which you're seeing now, along with the footage that comes out of the brand new released Fujifilm X-H2S. Let's talk about them. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Once again, my name is Jose from PetRockMedia.com, and if the topic of today's video, comparing video settings, learning about photography, videography, teching out, geeking out, just overall having a great time here, geeking out about tech, then this is the channel for you. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon so you're notified of each and every time we post content to the channel. So just recently we posted a quick unboxing video of the brand newly released Fujifilm X-H2S. And for the past couple months, we have been utilizing the Canon R5 for all the content videos on this channel. And right now what I'm going to do is just show you a quick side-by-side comparison of the footage that you get out of the Canon R5 versus the footage you get out of the Fujifilm X-H2S. So right now, what you're seeing is Canon C-Log2, no grade, straight out of camera. I have two lights right here, and this is the footage that you get straight out of camera. And now you see it fully color graded with some LUTs that I have for the Canon R5, especially the one that comes directly from Canon. I utilize that to kind of get the footage a little bit more closer to Rec 709 and then add a creative LUT on it to give it that little filmic look that I like to give it. Now what I am going to have as a constant is I am utilizing a Moment Cinebloom 10% filter, which gives it that little bit of like dreamy kind of soft light glow. You can see that on the lights behind me. So that is going to be on both cameras. So if you're interested in seeing what this footage looks like with a Cinebloom or a Glimmer Glass type of filter or a Tiffin Black Pro Mist, they're all almost the same thing. Right now I'm utilizing the one from Moment. So what we're going to do now is we're going to switch over to the Fujifilm X-H2S. One quick note, we are shooting in the standard 4K, not the oversampled 4K, but the standard 4K profile on the Canon R5 with C-Log2. And on the Fujifilm, I'm going to utilize the general 4K profile as well. Nothing tinkered with it, nothing tweaked. The straight out of camera 4K file. I'm going to show it in F-Log. I'll probably show it in F-Log2, and then I'll show it color graded as well. So let's go ahead and switch. And now this is the footage coming out of the brand new Fujifilm X-H2S. This is color graded with the default LUT that you get directly from Fujifilm, along with the same creative LUT that I utilize on the Canon R5. So what I'm gonna do right now is show you what F-Log looks like. This is the first generation F-Log that's on the Fujifilm X-H2S. This is what the log footage looks like with two lights, one to my right and one kind of overhead shining down. One of them is a Bowens mount kind of big production light, and one of them is a soft cylinder type light. It's a flat panel light. So this is what the F-Log footage looks like. And now this is what we look like color graded Fujifilm F-Log. And I'm gonna switch over to F-Log2. And now we're looking at F-Log2 color graded with the Fujifilm LUT directly from their website, and again with one creative LUT that I have set for the particular footage that I utilize coming out of the Canon R5 and for the Fujifilm X-H2S. This is Fujifilm F-Log2 by itself, completely flat. One thing that I will let you know is that the default lowest setting for ISO on F-Log2 is 1250 versus F-Log1, which is 640 ISO. On the Canon R5, C-Log can go all the way down to native ISO. I was shooting earlier at ISO 800 because the lens I was utilizing on the Canon R5 is the 24-105 kit lens, the f4, whereas on the Fujifilm, I'm using the 16-55 or 24-70 equivalent 2.8. So this is the way the footage looks like flat, and this is going to be what the footage looks like color graded. So let me know what you all think about the differences between the cameras, differences between which one you think looks better. Again, they are both shooting in the standard 4K. Canon R5 is in the kind of uglier 4K is what a lot of people were saying at the very beginning. In my camera testing and just in my overall timelines, I never really used the oversampled high quality HQ setting on the Canon R5. Typically always shot in the typical 4K format and utilize C-Log2. When I shoot with Fujifilm, I generally just utilize generalized 4K, and I usually always shot either F-Log or with the film simulation like a turnout, things like that. But again, let me know down in the comments what you all think. Definitely stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon, stay locked and loaded to the channel because we will be doing some more testing of the brand new Fujifilm X-H2S. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.